My name is Dia Manohar Kadam. My school name is Ratnasagar English School, Dahibali, BK. I am 10th standard student. The poet is written by Mayuresh Mane. Title Beauty Beyond Cleanness. Beauty beyond cleanness. Often when I am along, the thoughts comes to mind in the cleaners had not done their job. The world would have been so dirty. Sometimes we decided the happiness of the mind just by looking at the face, but happiness comes from a clean and beautiful place. Even so, owning one is still beyond the reach of the average person, because while desponding of this waste worker at getting canner, the disparity decisions at a reward. That is why it is so creating that we have to start work in something new to make the health of the workers and the life of the message health there by consolidating the waste.
My name is Sai Santosh Tambe. I am studying in 10th standard. My school name is Ratnasagar English School, Dahibali, Budruk, Taluka Chiplun, Jilla Ratnagiri, State, Maharashtra. Poet Mayuresh Mane sir. My poem name is Slow Poison. People, no matter how many times you say you have filled all our seas with e-waste storage to keep your technological life smooth, due to this monotony, our new generation will not go. We have to breathe freely, but you have not kept a single corner of the sea. Many of brothers have lost their lives in printers, computers, mobiles, television sets, damaged shelves, watches, various kinds of industry machinery. From these different types of machines, harmful elements like lead, phosphorus, cadmium, which are harmful to the whole human beings and nature, are trying to become poison and swallow everyone. If a solution is not found soon, the end of the world will soon come. Thank you.
My name is Saloni Santosh Tambe. I am studying in 10th class. My school name is Ratnasagar English School, Dahibali, Budruk, Taluka Chiplun, Jilla Ratnagiri, State, Maharashtra. Poet Mayuresh Mane sir. My poem name is Santa Claus. Everyone in Santa Claus with a white beard on a horse-drawn carriage is urgently watching that happy Christmas moment. The little company is so happy that Santa Claus will give them an evergreen gift burning with a variety of lighting. The Christmas tree prays for its existence to permanently near the iceberg instead of trying to recover. They wallow in their sadness and thus experience more failure. But with this accumulated waste and the new electrical waste empire that is about to come in the future, we can end it all at once. So we have to learn how to collect this waste and repair and reuse it.